to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe.
Alright guys, well hey, welcome back to the shop. We've got this sweet 2013 Ford F-150 that is getting a new coolant white pipe put on. They are a common failure point on these trucks. Got our part right here. I alluded to this truck needing this in a previous video. I'll link it here up top. Unfortunately, you couldn't see a whole lot in that video, and I don't know how much you're going to be able to see here, but I'll try to narrate later on anything that's missed. All right, let's get to it. I'm coming back at this thing with a fresh new perspective because I have forgotten what I did to get there. But I know this guy's in the way. Other than that, I'm not real sure.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love.
And here's our white pipe. Hopefully you can see that. Can you see that? Yes, you can. Okay. Alright, so here's our new part. Wow. It's going to go in there just like that. We're going to replace the O-ring that goes here. We have new O-rings as well. This obviously doesn't need an O-ring. And then this side has an internal O-ring already in it, so that's cool. All right, I think probably the biggest pain in the butt is going to be getting it off the thermostat housing, but still shouldn't be that terrible, especially since I have my fancy tool here. I'll leave a link to this in the description in my Amazon page. Oh boy. Yeah. She's a stiff one. I'm a come on. Man. I'm gonna get me a little pick to get in behind that because my screwdriver's not gonna be able to make that angle. But what I can do, so these have a little locking wire on the U part, on the plastic part. Kind of like what you would see on a fuel injector or something like that. Let me see if I can bring you around and show you. Zoom in. You're not zooming. Come on. There we go. Alright, so this guy here. Ooh. That's one side of it. So you just need to move that tip down to there on each side, and it should pop off. Then we have one over here. That's going to stay put. This will pop off of there. If I had another person to film, I would just have this angle, but unfortunately I don't right now. All right. To do a redneck recovery. All right. See, I just got under there with this pick, pulled it out to its spot. Oh boy. Yeah, that's not gonna come off of there easy. Come on. There we go. Really? Teflon can stay. That's supposed to be an O-ring, and it is very, very flat. That looks like our guy. We'll just slip this one back where the flat one came out. There we go. All right, new seal. Now, get the rest of this off. Oh boy. Yeah, she don't want to budge. Of course, it's all slippery now. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. I think I'm about to get channel locks. Put that hose right in the way, didn't I? Hopefully that's a little bit better bird's eye view.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever...
All right, enough screwing around. I was trying to get around without it, but I'm gonna have to pull off the throttle body. 8mm bolts, 4 of them that hold this throttle body in place. Oh, that was loose.
No, I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built.
Here we go. And she's out. Yeah, that coolant's not in great shape. That's cool. That little yellow tab is meant to keep the spring open until you have it installed. Which again, is easier said than done. You don't want to be leaning on these plastic parts. Ah, there we go. Wiggled into position and locked. Alright. Got our new O-ring on this guy here. Wiggled into position and locked. Now we can put our throttle body back on.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Okay, hose clamp is installed. Alright, just gotta put the air tube back and top off the coolant. She's good to go.
And make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
There we go. All done.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy.